skin like you never even left my
What is up, beautiful babes? Sweet angel in the building. Listen, if you lift your arm and this part keeps waving, this video is for you. Heck, this video is for me. We are not hiding our arms. We are tightening, toning, and getting them snatched the right way, right at home. So let's get started. We're going to do some exercises, and then I also have an amazing mask for you for your arms. Yes, so exercises. We're going to do some tricep dips. We're going to start with tricep dips. I just simply grab a chair or the couch. Listen, I'm in my office, so me and my little one, which is my granddaughter, is in here hanging out. This one right here, y'all, it's the truth. Let me show you how I do this one. I sit down in the seat, lower down, and push back up. I slide basically to the edge of the seat. And baby, you're going to feel the burn in the back of your arms. I do this for 10 to 15 reps and 3 sets of that. Try not to cheat. I try not to cheat, but sometimes, girl, this is a lot. Okay, I'm 62, but this is a lot. I'll be trying. The next one, which you know about this one, is arm circles. You don't need any weights, no problem. Listen, small circles, keep it tight. We're going to do this 30 seconds forward and 30 seconds backward. And yes, it does burn. It does burn. We'll keep that up. Woo! I was glad that was over. Now, the overhead tricep extensions. Grab a dumbbell or a water bottle. And listen, we improvise over here. You don't have to go out and buy anything. You can just use what you got. You can use a can of soup if you like, okay? Now, lift and drop behind the head. Bring it back up. That's all you have to do. 10 to 12 reps of that. 3 sets. I'm showing you how I do it. You can always look this up on YouTube or any other Google search you can find. This helps tighten that loose area. And baby, woo, it will. You'll feel it. You'll feel it. If it don't tighten it up, baby, it's going to break you down. I don't know what to tell you, but this will definitely help. I've done this in the past and it does work. Now it's time for me to get back on my game, and I am going through with it. So let's move on to the DIY mask that I have for you. So now we're going to get ready to do the DIY tightening mask. Now let's talk skin, because we're not just toning, we're smoothing too. Okay, so I'm going to keep up on my exercises, but this is going to help as well. It's a coffee and egg white mask. What I'm using is 2 tablespoons of coffee and 1 egg white and a tablespoon of coconut oil. For this mix, I'm actually using fractionated coconut oil. So mix it all up. And yes, if you're wondering, can you use instant coffee with this? You can, in fact, use the instant coffee, but let me tell you, when it comes to ground coffee, you get better exfoliation if you're going to do an exfoliating mask on your arms and the instant coffee, you do get a smoother, easier, but still effective mechanism as well, okay? So use what you've got at home, but make sure you know this: consistency beats perfection every time. So when it comes to the mask, again, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. And you mix it until it forms a paste. Try not to make it too watery. Now, I just applied it to my arms, both arms, like so. Just trying to get in there. You know, if you have some help to do this, that would be perfect to, get them involved. But if you don't, just do what you do. Now, just let this sit on your arms for like 15 minutes, and then you're going to rinse with warm water. Y'all, I guess y'all see, I use these towels for everything. They're like reusable towels, like paper towels. They're not paper towels, they're actually like the cloth, but they're disposable after about 50 uses. But I use them to wash my face. I use them to take off this mask that I'm about to take off of my arms right here to help tighten these bat wings, okay? So yeah, I'm using them for everything. So let me go rinse the mask off. Now, I followed my treatment with the actual coconut oil. Understand this, coconut oil is great when it comes to helping with sagging skin and tightening the skin. Massaging it in is amazing. So that is how that is going to work. You have the recipe. I will also list it in the description box for you. So make sure you don't skip the description box. But babes, also along the lines of just real talk, protein is going to help build the muscles as well. So get up on your protein as much as you can. Also, water keeps your skin firm. So drink plenty of water. And light weights, as you saw, that's what we started with. Even 2 to 5 pounds will work. And consistency, again, that's the secret sauce. Beautiful babes, you don't need perfection. You just need consistency. That's how those arms go from soft to snatched. And we're going to do this together. I'm ready. What about you? Go ahead and drop a heart in the comments if you're working on your arms with me. We can do this. We can do this. All right, beautiful babes. We are glowing, we are growing, and we are taking care of the skin at any age. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. And I love hearing from you. So don't forget to share this with somebody who needs this glow up in their life. And listen, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you never miss a moment with me right here on Beauty by Sweet Angel. Everything I used in today's video will be listed down below in the description box. Yes, your girl may earn a small commission, but it does not cost you anything extra. And always, this is DIY and educational content only, so make sure you patch test, take care of your beautiful skin, and do what works best for you. Until next time, stay glowing, stay blessed, and keep that sweet angel glow shining from inside out. Mwah.